Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, I decided to make my best purchases of this year. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys my night suits, my sweaters, cardigans, bag, everything which I have purchased in this year. Like I have purchased lots of things, okay, like loads of clothes, but तब तक तो जब तक मैं सारे अपलोड करेंगी like उतना तो बहुत ही लंबा हो जाएगा. So I decided to show you guys my best of best purchases. So yeah, without any further ado, let's so guys, we'll start with my night suit. So the first my best night suit, my favorite night suit from Misho of this year is this. So this is my best, like my favorite night suit. You can see that this is so great, this night suit. I've ordered like this and in other colors, but this one I like this color the most. So you can see that this is the night suit and it has got this cute pocket and then this cute thing, just so great. And price, it was very reasonable. It was like 800 something, and still this is my all-time favorite. As you can see that मैंने इसे काफी time पहन चुका है, but it's like very great. अब तक भी बिल्कुल भी खराब नहीं हुआ. So this is my best purchase of night suit, and I have one more my best purchase. So the other my favorite night suits from Misho is this. So this is my favorite, my another favorite night suits from Misho, and you can see that मैंने इसे बहुत time पहन चुका है. So इसके यहाँ आगे के like it was like यहाँ पे कुछ तो था जो कि खराब हो गया. But you can see that this is my favorite, my like second favorite night suit from Misho, and I just love this night suit. So now we'll move on to my cardigans and then sweater collections. Like sweater purchase, my best purchase from Misho. So guys, my first favorite purchase of sweater from Misho of this year is this. So you can see that this one is like very Pinteresty, very beautiful. So this is my favorite sweater from Misho, my all-time favorite. As you can see that this cherry thing is so beautiful, buttons, everything is so beautiful. मैंने again इसे like बहुत time पहन चुका है, but still ये अभी तक भी काफी अच्छा है. See, and so this is my like my first favorite purchase of this year from Misho, and I have so many others, and so I will start with this. So this is a sweater again. So here it is. So you can see that this is my another favorite purchase, and it is still in a very great condition. So you can see it. It's like काफी अच्छा है. मैंने इसे like बहुत time पहना है again, but still it's in a very great conditions. And then I have so many. I will show you guys this one too. So my other sweaters, like this one is, as I said, this is so damn great. This is so H&M kind of sweater. So here it is, and this is so beautiful. So this is my another favorite of sweaters from Misho, and you can see that I have worn this so many times again, but still everything is so great. You know, like कुछ भी खराब नहीं हुआ. So it's just a nice thing. And see, so this is my another favorite. I have so many. So, and the next I have is this cardigan. So you can see that this is a cardigan, and I have not worn it. You can see that it still got this tag thing. तो मैंने इसे अब तक नहीं पहना है. I don't know when I'm gonna wear this. Like I have so many clothes which are still with the tags जो कि मैंने बिल्कुल भी नहीं पहना है. So this is my another, like this is like a brand new cardigan and my favorite. You can see that it still has got this tag thing. Everything is so great. I cannot wait to style this, and I have other things. So I'm gonna show you. And the next I have is this cute crop sweater. You can see that this is my cute crop sweater, and I'm gonna wear this in the summertime, as this is winter and I cannot wear this during the winter. So this is my favorite. Now guys, I have this bolero. It's from Yumi. You can see that this is a brand new bolero. I have not worn it still. Like मैंने इसे खरीद के I think almost 2 months something या 3 months हो चुका है, but still मैंने इसे अब तक नहीं पहना है. So I think I'm gonna wear this and next year. So this is my bolero from Yumi, and it's a brand new, still in a great conditions. I have another sweaters from Savannah, that is this. So this is again my brand new sweater from Savannah. I have not worn it, and you can see that this is still with this tag. Where is it? This tag, and it's a brand new and it's very beautiful. I think I'm gonna wear this in New Year's party, maybe. I'm not sure. So yeah. So guys, I'm done with my sweaters and cardigans. Now I'm gonna show you my most favorite purchase of pants from Meesho. So I will start with this. So this is my badge, my creamy pan from Meesho, and you can see that it's still in a great condition. So this is how the pen looks. So this is my favorite pants from Meesho, and I've worn this pen so many times, but still there is like I don't have any kind of disappointment with this pen. It's still like very great. It's in a great condition. You can see that. So this is my favorite pens. I'm gonna show you my another favorite pen from Meesho, and it is this. So this is in black and white strip kind of pen. You can see that. So this is a trouser. It's a very beautiful trousers again. See, I've worn this also so many times, but guys, इसके यहाँ पे कुछ कुछ इस तरह के bubbles आ चुके हैं, which is not a good thing. इसके fabric it's not great, but I love this and this is so beautiful. So this is my other pants and I have one more pants. So this is this. So this is my baggy Korean trousers from Meesho, and you can see that it's in still a very great conditions. I've worn this again so many times, and this is like my all-time favorite pants from Meesho. And the price this was like very expensive. It was 5 to 600 something. So this is the pant, and guys, it's worth the money as it's very great. So I just love this, and I have one more pants from Meesho. So that is this. So you can see that this band was so on trend. This is a very Pinteresty band. You can see that this is how it looks. So this is my another favorite bands from Meesho, and I love this. So I have only one, two, three, four favorite bands from Meesho, and now I'm gonna start with my dress collections, my all-time favorite dress from Meesho. So guys, my most favorite dress from Meesho is where it is. So here is the dress. So this is the dress. You can see that this is my favorite dress from Meesho and I love it. It has this thing and I've worn this one so many times, but I don't have pictures of me wearing this. But I do have pictures of my sister wearing this, so I'm gonna attach that one. So this you can see that this one is a very beautiful long dress from Meesho and I just love this dress. My sister also loved this dress. So this is my first favorite and I'll show you my other favorite. And then we have mm, this. So this is here you can see that my other favorite dress from Meesho and it is again in a bodycon and I just love this dress. It's a very long dress and I have worn this during an event where I did the hosting. So I've worn this one there, but I don't think I have pictures, but I will see. So this is my another favorite dress and I have other favorites. So here we have one more. So that is this. So this is in a brown, beautiful brown dress and it's a very long dress again. You can see that and I have worn this dress only one time, that also in an event. So this is my bodycon dress from Meesho. So I think I have only that much, only my dress collections from Meesho. So I will show you my one more uh, frock kind of dress. It's from Amazon and this one it's literally very gorgeous. So here is the dress. It's a very beautiful dress from Amazon. You can see that this is how the dress looks. It's a dress and then I have not worn it, so I think इसका तो almost 1 year हो चुका है. You can see that still it has this tag thing. I've not worn it a single day. So yeah, this is my dress जो कि मैंने इसे अब तक नहीं पहना है. हो चुका है 1 month. Now I'll show you my top collection. So guys, I have this top. It's from the brand Uptowny. So you can see that this is the top and this top is again 1 year हो चुका है. मैंने इसे नहीं पहना. It still has this tag. You can see that this is the top and you will get this same top on Meesho too. So it's a very beautiful top. I think I'm gonna wear this in next year, maybe in summer time. क्योंकि जहाँ पे मैं रहती हूँ यहाँ पे we don't have any kind of places जहाँ पे हम इस तरह के कपड़े पहन के जा सकते हैं. So yeah, this is my top. and I have this cute sweater, this cute crop top or sweater. It's from Misho, so you can see that this is, इसे भी मैंने जब खरीदा था तभी ही मैंने पहना है. ये भी 1 year हो चुका है again. तब से मैंने बिल्कुल भी नहीं पहना है, बस रखा हुआ है. So this is my favorite. It's a very Pinteresty pink crop sweater. And I have this strength. Is it I think strength? Yeah, ऐसे कहते हैं कुछ ऐसे तो pronounce करता है, I don't know. And this one I got it from Ajio. So you can see that. See, honestly, मैंने कुछ like I've worn this couple of times, and I still love this one as it's very beautiful. You can see that this is my top. So now I'm gonna show you my bag collection. So guys, my first, like my most favorite bag of this year from Misho is this. This is a very big bag from Misho, and this is like this has been my most favorite bag from Misho of this year. I've carried this bag so many times with me because it fits everything. जो भी मुझे सामान चाहिए होते हैं सब कुछ यहाँ पे easily आ जाता है. So this is my most favorite bag from Misho, and I have other favorites too, which are another is this is जो मैंने recently खरीदा है मीशो से, and you can see that it's a very beautiful brown bag. It's in a leather. So yeah, this is my another favorite bag from Misho, and I have one more bag. So that is this tote bag. So this is again a very beautiful tote bag from Misho, and I have again carried this so many times क्योंकि again मैं जहाँ पे जाती हूँ यहाँ पे मेरे सारे सामान easily fits हो जाता है. So these bags are my favorite from Misho, and I have some more bags. Mm, I'm gonna show you. So this is my brand new bag. It's from Mintra. I bought it recently. So many say I think I've carried this only 2 times. So this is my favorite. You can see that it's a very interesting bag. And then I have some bags from H&M, which are this. So this is a side bag from H&M, and you will get one more color which was in pink color. So this is my favorite bag from H&M, and I have one more bag from Misho. As here is the bag. This is a brand new bag from Misho, and I think it has been 3 months since I bought this bag from Misho. जिसे मैंने अभी तक use नहीं किया. I don't know for what. I mean why, but मैंने इसे अब तक use नहीं किया है. Maybe I'm gonna use this in next year again. So this is my another favorite bag from Misho. So I have so many other, like I have shoes, slippers, and then boots, but I'm not gonna show it all now. I have so many work to do. This is the last day of this month, so I have other work to do. So these are my favorite of this year: bag, top, sweaters, cardigans, track pants, trousers, everything. Do let me know how which one you guys like the most, and I will see you guys in my next vlog and then in New Year. So till then, take care and bye bye.